Dixie with APW Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, and I'm here to show you today how you're going to get rid of your disgusting plunger by showing you the benefits of the TOTO Drake Toilet. The TOTO Drake Toilet has a commercial grade flush. One of the reasons for that is it has a 50% larger flapper than your standard toilet. This allows for more velocity of water to enter into the bowl, which again will help with that better flush. Second, it has a larger trapway than your standard toilet. The TOTO Drake glazed trapway is glazed on the inside as it is on the outside. This allows for debris to move easily through the trapway. Your standard toilet is rough, therefore causes mold and debris to get stuck. With the glaze on the TOTO Drake Toilet, you use less chemicals and less water when you're cleaning. And then fourth, you're still using only 1.6 gallons of water that you use in your standard toilet. So you're getting the commercial grade flush with all of the benefits of the TOTO Drake Toilet. So you can retire your plunger. TOTO Drake Toilet also has the benefits of a soft closed seat that comes with every toilet. So no more slamming of the toilet. Comes in 3 styles. You've got the comfort height, round, and elongated. The great thing about the TOTO Drake is the next thing that I want to show you, which is what it really can flush. Call APW Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling to get your TOTO Drake Toilet installed today.